Unit 5, Formative 3, Day 2, Adding and Subtracting Radicals. The first thing you have to realize about adding and subtracting radicals is that you cannot do it if they are not the same radical. Okay, so just like combining like terms, so look at number 1 real quick. You have 8 square root of 5 minus 12 square root of 5. Well, since they have the same base, they both have the square root of 5, okay, you can put them together. So this is like taking 8x minus 12x. Okay, I'll put that to the side. That's the same thing as what we're doing here, just the x is now a square root of 5. Okay, so 8 minus 12 is negative 4 square root of 5. Okay, you can only add and subtract if they are the same. So if that was square root of 5 and square root of 3, you couldn't put them together. Alright? Number 2, the square root of 20 plus 3 square root of 5. Well, right now they're not the same radical. One's the 20, one's the 5. But we know how to simplify radicals because we did that yesterday, right? So the square root of 20, remember we can make a factor tree, so 2 times 10 makes 20. To get to 10, 2 times 5. Okay, you have a pair of 2's. So you have 2, and then back inside the radical would be the 5. So 2 square root of 5. Bring down your plus 3 square root of 5. Now if you look, they are the same radicals. So 2 square root of 5 plus 3 square root of 5 makes 5 square root of 5. Okay? So sometimes you might have to simplify the radical first. Number 3, 4 square root of 12 minus 2 square root of 75 plus 7 square root of 3. Okay, 3 separate ones. So you just look to first to say, okay, which ones can I simplify? Well, I can simplify 12. So 12 is 2 and 6. 6 is 2 and 3. You have a pair of 2's. Okay, now be careful. I have that 4 out front. So when I pull that 2 out, it's actually multiplying. So 2 times 4. So you get 8 square root of 3 because you had that leftover 3. Okay, and then look at this one, the 75. You have 3 and 25, 5 and 5. So you have a pair of 5's. Now be careful because you have a negative 2 out front. So 5 times negative 2 is negative 10. That square root, the 3 has to go back in. Okay, and then last but not least, this 3 over here. Okay, nothing goes into it, so we just bring it down, 7 square root of 3. Now if you look, they all have the same square root of 3. So you have 8 square root of 3 minus 10 square root of 3 plus 7 square root of 3. Well, 8 minus 10 is negative 2 plus 7 is 5 square root of 3. Alright, we'll see you tomorrow.